Good evening everyone. I am back for another video, and in this video, I'm going to share to you why did I use that graph in the certain data given. So first, let me refresh your mind that the graph is a visual representation of data, and we have 5 types of graphs. First is the line graph, second is the bar graph, the pie graph, and the histogram, and the scatter plot. So number one, the data given in number one is in column A. In column A is the year, and in column B, so this is the column A. So represent the year, and in column B is the number of employees. So we are going to use the line graph because it is intended to display the data that changes. So as we can see, from the year 1979, so as we can see sa year 1979, so there is only 5 employees in year 1979. So in year 1984, so nagkuan na siya, nag-anam na siya og nag-anam na siya nga naa na siya gidagdag nga empleyado. Until 1989, nagkaanam na siya kadaghan, until niabot siya og year 2019. So year 2019, na siya 8,420 employees sa year 2009. So as you can see in the line graph, there is a big changes. So na siya kausaban, no? Naggikan siya sa gamay hangtod nga ning dako ang iyahang employees. Nagkaanam og kadaghan ang iyahang employees tungod ang iyahang company is ning successful ang iyahang company, ang pagdagan sa iyahang company. So ang iyahang pag-manage sa iyahang company is na successful siya. So okay, let's proceed on number 2. So let's proceed on number 2. And the number 2 problem, we are going to use the scatter plot. So we're going to use the scatter plot because the purpose of this graph is to show the relationship between the two variables. So let's assume that the column A is the X and the column B is the Y. So in column A is the square footage, and in column B is the value of the square footage. So here is the chart. So mao ni ang iyahang kuan scatter plot graph. So let's proceed to number 3. So we are here in problem number 3. So this is the problem number 3. As you can see, in my screen. We are using the bar graph. So this is the bar graph. So bar graph is, we are using bar graph because it is commonly used to illustrate categories of data. So in this set of data, we are comparing the differences between the three countries and their per capita consumption. So ato siyang ang iyahang kuan, ang gi-compare nato ang iyahang difference, no, sa ang kaning India, China ug ang Indonesia. So let's go to number 4. So this is the number 4. And number 4 problem, same with the number 3. We are still using the bar graph. So magamit gihapon ta siya og bar graph, but in landscape form. We are, because we are comparing the percentage of the shareholders percentage. So let's go to number 5. So problem number 5, we are using the line graph again. So the same with the number 1. So why are we using the line graph again? So we are using the line graph because it shows the changes of data per year. So from year 2005, as you can see at the chart here in my screen, to the year 2009. So 2005 and the year 2009. Oops. So in year 2005, kay naa siya $1,634, and 2006 na siya $945. Then in 2007 na siya $1,245, and in 2008 na siya $840, and 2009 na siya $1,424. So nagkuan siya kanang nag-anam siya ning taas, tapos ning ubos na pud siya, tapos ning taas na pud, tapos ning ubos. And in year 2010 until 2015. So kaanam na siya og kuan ka taas. Ning ubos siya, like ning taas siya, tapos ning ubos, tapos ning taas din ning ubos. So mao ni inyahang line chart. So line graph, I mean. So mao ni siya yang line graph. Gikan sa year 2005, so taas siya. Na siya sa 1,634, and then pag abot niya sa 2006 kay ning ubos siya, and then yung taas na po siya pag 2027 and so forth. So let's move to problem number 6. So here, as you can see in number 6, so this is the number 6 problem. We have a 3 datas given. So this is the first data, and then the second data, and the third, this is the third data. So in the first data given, we have 4 columns. So in the first data givens, we have 4 columns. This is the A, B, C, the type, emphasis, Y pro, and the Polaris. So in data number 2, we have 2 columns, the type and Y pro. And the third data is there is the type and the Polaris. So the recommended graph for the data sa first graph, first kaning first data given kay ang bar graph, and the second given kay kuan. So the second given kay ang iyahang total sa iyahang percentage kay 100%, and then the third is also 100%. So we are going to use the kanang pie chart graph sa second and the third data given. So makagamit siya sa atong gamiton is ang kuan pie chart sa number 2 o number 3. But if we are going to combine, so if ato ani siyang i-combine ang 1 until the number 3. So if we are going to combine the 3, so if we're going to combine the 1 and og ang 2 og ang 3, so mao ni ato ang gamiton nga graph, no? So mao ni siya ato ang gamiton na graph, which is the so kung ato ang i-combine ang 3 datas together, that the graph or the recommended graph for this is the combination of bar graph and the line graph. So as you can see at my screen, so it is a combination of bar graph and the line graph. So when we are going to combine all the set of data given, then the graph is also a combination. So let's proceed to number 7. So we're going here in number 7. So this is the given data for number 7. So female graduates in tertiary education in Central Visayas for the academic year 2009, 2010 to 2015 to 2016. The source for this given data is the 2015 Regional Social and Economic Trends of PSA Region 7. pila man eh. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 columns. And now for this given data, we are going to use the bar graph. So this is the bar graph for this given data. So we're using the bar graph. So why are we using the bar graph? Kung ano man, nganong nagamit man ta og bar graph? Because we are comparing the different categories per year from the year 2009, 2010 to 2010, 2011, 2011 to 2012, 2012 to 2013, then 2013 to 2014, and 2014 to 2015 until the 2015 to 2016. So we can identify, ma-identify nato kung asa ang total niya, ano yan total, ang iyahang business administration and related. So ang iyahang total, which is kaning blue, o ang kaning orange, mao ni siya ang business administration related. So so as you can see on the bar chart graph here, so mao ni siya ang iyahang total. So 2009 to 2010 until sa 2015, 2016. So let's proceed to the number 8. So this is the number 8. So mo ni siya ang number 8. So let's so insert. So this is the chart for the graph for the 8. So mao to no sa number 8, the world's consumption of oil. So we have 4 columns. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 columns sa world's consumption of oil. So we are going to use the bar graph again. No, same sa number no. So yeah, we are going to use the bar graph again because we are comparing the percentage of world's consumption of oil, and we can identify the year through the legend, which is blue. So which is blue for the 1999, and then orange sa 2009, and then gray for 2019. So arita sa number 9. So this is the number 9. Okay. Ito sa siyang convert. So this is the number 9. siya. So mao ni siya sa number 9. So and number 9, the data given is the female graduates in tertiary education in Central Visayas. So in 2009 to 2010 to 2015 2016. So ni siya. So there are pila ka columns. Wait. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So there are 8 columns. And we are still going to use the we're going to use the bar graph gihapon. So same as number 8. So ma-identify nato, no? So ang for the ma-identify nato ang iyahang, so ma-identify nato din no? So ang business administration mao ni siya ang blue. So na siya sa 2000 2,425. And then education science is which is the orange, and the gray is the engineering. So gamay ang engineering dito sa first, no? And then the medical and allied. So medical man siya ang yellow. So sa number 2 is na siya sa 4,000 plus. And the second graph, so as you can see at the screen, so ma-identify nimo siya, no? Okay, let's proceed to the last, is number 10. So number 10, so mali siya ang number 10. Oops. Insert, then recommended. So in the number 10, so mao din ni ang iyahang chart di ay. So it is the combination of two graphs, so which is the line graph and the bar graph. So as you can see sa akong screen, so ang iyahang annual sales, ang iyahang annual sales mao ni siya ang blue. Then ang orange color is the profits. Ang iyahang profits, no? Which is dollars na siya. And then the profits in percentage. So mao ni siya ang gray. So as you can see in 2003 to 2008, no? Ni gikan sa ubos ning anam siya og ka dako, like ning increase siya. So and that's all for this evening. I hope that you've learned, and that's all. Thank you.